Namaste, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. And during this rainy weather, it is really very nice to have some hot meal. Today I am going to show you how to make a typical ArisiParuppuSadam, which is famous in Coimbatore in South India. And along with that, we'll have a lovely baby potato Kari. And you can even serve it in the lunchbox too. So I am giving it to you as a lunchbox meal. So let's start. Here I have taken 1 cup of Sona Masuri rice and soaked it. Also 1/4 cup of this Tuvar Dal or red gram dal. Both have been soaking for 30 minutes. If you have parboiled rice, that is excellent. Otherwise, regular Sona Masuri rice also you can make, but it may not be so good with basmati rice. So preferably use either of these two. In a pressure cooker, take about 2 tablespoons of oil. Add mustard seeds, Jeera or cumin seeds. I have taken 2 dry red chillies, 2 green chilli slit. Here we have some garlic, about 10 or 12 cloves of garlic you can take. Just slice them into long slices. And also 1 large onion I have chopped. Add salt to taste. Stir fry it till the onions become translucent. Next I have taken just 1 tomato, chopped it and added. Now the tomato prices are very high, so if you want to omit the tomato also you can omit it. But I am using it because the typical ArisiParuppuSadam is made this way. Cook it till the tomatoes become soft and mushy. Now the tomatoes are cooked well and become soft. Now we can add in all the masalas. First add in turmeric powder. We have already added salt. Next I am adding 2 teaspoons of homemade Sambar powder. If you don't have homemade, use store-bought Sambar powder also. And a little bit of Hing powder. And a few curry leaves. Again mix everything well together. Measure out the water and add to it. Now allow this to come to a boil. Meanwhile, drain out the water from the rice and dal. The water is boiling now. Now add this soaked rice and dal to it. Give it all a good mix. Cover it and cook it on a medium flame for 2 whistles. 2 whistles are done. Just remove the cooker, allow it to cool and let the pressure be released naturally. Meanwhile, we will get ready for this baby potato Kari. For that, first we will make a masala. I am going to dry roast. For the masala, I have taken 3 of this Bydagi dry red chillies because they give a good color. I am adding 2 heaped teaspoons of Urad dal, 2 teaspoons of Channa dal and about 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. We will dry roast all these together. Do it over a medium flame so that the dals don't get burnt, but at the same time they have to be well browned. since it is a kara curry, we want karam, that is spice as well as color. So I am just adding 1 Ghuntur red chilli for the spice. The dals have become golden brown and the chillis are also well roasted. Just allow it to cool. When cool, make it into a dry powder in your blender jar. I am using these baby potatoes for the kara curry. I have already boiled it and peeled and kept ready. Don't boil it too soft, just boil it a little.
What are you making?
Baby potato.
Baby potato is my favorite.
Your favorite? Very nice. Today you can enjoy that. Okay. So for this, take about 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Okay, when the oil is hot, add some mustard seeds, Urad Dal, Jeera, a little bit of Channa Dal, add a pinch of Hing, next 1 onion I have chopped. Stir fry the onions. Now when the onions are transparent, that time add some turmeric powder, just a pinch, salt to taste. You want to cook? Be careful. Next, this is the powder which we have made of the masalas. Add this powder to it. Okay, 1 minute. Next, add in these boiled and peeled baby potatoes. It will be hot. You will hurt yourself, no? Mix everything very well so that all the potatoes are coated with the masala. I am just adding another 2 teaspoons of oil on top. What do you like to eat with baby potato? You like rice?
Yeah.
Huh? I made one special rice today. You will really like it a lot.
No.
Shall I pack it for your lunch box?
No.
Why?
No, they'll come not to that.
Okay. Oh, today no school, I forgot. Today rainy day holiday, no?
No, today Saturday daily holiday.
Saturday daily holiday, okay. Just toss them around so that they become a little crispy too. Finally, we'll just add some curry leaves. Now let's open the cooker and see. Lovely steaming hot ArisiParuppuSadam. See, the rice is nice and fluffy. Finally, take a teaspoon of ghee and put it on top of the rice and gently mix it. The ghee adds an awesome flavor to it, and mix it with a light hand. See?
I want a baby aloo.
You want baby aloo? Okay, sure. This goes very well with curd rice also. Yeah, okay. We can even serve it in your lunch box like this. So enjoy this tasty baby potato kara curry with the typical ArisiParuppuSadam. Wasn't that easy? A very simple yet flavorful rice, authentic from Coimbatore in Tamil Nadu, with simple basic ingredients available at home. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to Geeta's Kitchen and we'll meet again with another interesting episode from Geeta's Kitchen. Thank you.